Okay, I took them off and it turned out this was number 1 and that was number 2. So, and those two fit so nice, I don't want to take them off because they must be 3 and 4. So what I did was I honed this hole out a little bit on this side a little bit so it's not pushing this out. Like if I push that over, I can get it pretty even now. And the other thing to remember is originally the holes were much bigger than the bolt. So there was play in there. So it could have been, you know, it could be just the way I drilled them. Because when I drilled this part, the new part, I drilled it. It's just barely big enough for the bolt. So that could explain why it was off a little bit. So I'm ready to screw the first one in. So what I did was, this is just temporary. These 2 bolts right here, they're 4, are just holding the leg temporary. So I first took the leg off, took my piece that's going to go here, and I screwed it in from the back side, 2 spots. Screwed it in right there and right there. And then from there, I drilled this hole. This leg wasn't here. I drilled it from there out. Now the problem is I'm going to have to hone this hole out now because it's a little bit too far this way. I wish I would have done all this before I did this. But not a big deal. There's a big washer going on there, and then there's another thing to stop it from turning. So we'll still be okay, but I do have to hone this out just a little bit. So now what I'm doing is, but I'll do that next. So then I pre-drilled right here, actually right there, right here, down here, down here. So now with the leg in, I'm going to screw this right here, this piece of plywood right here, hard fast to the leg. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. So this leg is going to become the stabilizer between these 2 pieces of plywood. Because otherwise, they're not held together at all now. I had removed the screws here, which weren't holding them anyways. Okay, so this will become the stabilizer support. And it'll have a nice surface here. And then we can put the bolts back in with the washer and with other stuff. Okay, so that's the strategy. The leg is going to solidify these 2 pieces. Okay, let's screw it together.